Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone. First, open the Wallet app, which is easily found on your home screen. Then, tap the plus sign located in the upper right corner to add a new card. You'll select debit or credit card and follow the simple on-screen instructions. Finally, your bank or card issuer will verify your card, usually through a quick text message or phone call, making sure everything is secure and ready to go. When you're ready to pay using Face ID, it's incredibly straightforward. Simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Your device will then prompt you to glance at it, quickly authenticating your purchase with Face ID. Next, hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader. You'll see a check mark and the word "Done" on your screen, confirming that your payment has been successfully processed in just a few seconds. For those using Touch ID, the process is just as simple and secure. Begin by placing your finger on the Home button, which will automatically bring up your default card for Apple Pay. Then, hold the top of your iPhone close to the contactless payment terminal. Your fingerprint will instantly authenticate the transaction, ensuring your purchase is secure. You'll receive visual confirmation with a check mark and "Done" on your screen, indicating a completed payment. Apple Pay isn't just for in-store purchases. It's also incredibly convenient for online shopping and in-app transactions. When checking out, simply look for the distinctive Apple Pay button. Select it as your preferred payment method, and then confirm your purchase using either Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your iPhone model. All your shipping and billing information will be automatically and securely provided, saving you valuable time and effort with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.